Hi everyone, Ron here, Traders Academy, and I wanted to shoot a special video for this mini course, which is on the self-adjusting iron butterfly. Now this is a trade we developed here at Traders Academy. It can be traded in any market, requires no technical analysis, and only about 2 to 3 minutes a night after the market closes for daily maintenance. Now we're going to trade this live in our account, and these trades, it's hard to say how long they take to complete, anywhere from a week to 14 days. So we're going to trade this on a daily basis. We're going to do a new video each day as we come in and check the trade and do any maintenance we have to do. And the point that I want to stress is that even though these iterations, each day's video, may seem repetitive, it's important that you watch each of those so that you can understand what we do on a daily basis to keep this trade working properly. And I think once you watch this thing and you see how it performs from beginning to end, you will see that I think you'll be surprised at the kind of returns you can get on a weekly basis with this fun little trade. So I just want to say, keep watching, watch each video as they come out, watch it to the end, and I think very possibly you will fall in love with this trade as we have. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Welcome back to our self-adjusting iron butterfly mini course, and this will be day 7. And I just wanted to come back in today just to show you that the entire trade has in fact expired and we have no positions on. So you can see that our total right now is $22,036.89, which means we made for the 1 week $2,036.89. And if we go to the account statement, we'll be able to see our 2 orders here where we were closing our puts for 5 cents and our calls for 5 cents. Both of those filled. As you see, they filled right here for the nickel debit, which is, we could have let them go and risk them expiring on their own, but you'd also be risking the market making a wild move at the last few minutes of the day, and maybe they wouldn't fill and we could have gotten exercised. So I find it's always safer to give up that 5 cents and get those closed early so that you have nothing to worry about for the rest of that day. So anyway, just wanted to come back and show you that the trade did end. It ended perfectly. We are totally out of the trade. It was a 6-day trade, even though this is day 7. Nothing's going on. They were gone on Friday. This is Monday. But like I said, $2,000 a week is what this trade should average as far as what it can produce for you. And that's it. So we're out of the trade. That's the end. I just wanted to show you that. Thank you. Bye.